Service interval reset on a Renault Captur, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so with the ignition on, which is this button down here, you use the button at the side of the stalk, so the wiper stalk on the right hand side, and you click on the up button. You scroll through the range until you get to the service side. So service intervals, you press and hold the up button. Once you get in there, you can see it could be at 0 depending on yours. This one was serviced early, so there's 3,000 left. So to reset that, you press and hold it. And that's it. So you're just using that button to do the reset. And as you can see, the service has been reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.